Hello, I hope you all are doing good. So as you can see on the screen, there is the data on your right hand side, and I will be doing custom formatting or conditional formatting. So let's select the data and go to conditional formatting. In conditional formatting, you can highlight top 10, top 10%, bottom 10, above average, below average, and you can make new rules also from here. You can make new rules. Let's go to top 10. Top 10 you can select. Already it is Z. You can change the color green. There are top 10 values on your screen. You can do custom color also, custom format. Then there are a lot of things are opening, numbers, font, border, fill. Any color you want to choose, just choose it and it will fit. Top one you want to do, top one, and now. So I hope you like the video. And why we will do this? Because you want to show sometime that they are top one numbers or top 10 number. These students got the highest marks, these students got the lowest marks, lot more. How many students got failed? These things you can do by using custom formatting or conditional formatting. Sayonara. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and suggest if there is any changes.